Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and tonight we are talking about the best knife sets on Amazon. I love this one from J.A. Henkel's. You guys, this is going to be the International Graphite 20-piece self-sharpening block set. It's going to be the brown wood and silver knives. They are gorgeous. Again, it's a 20-piece set, so you're going to get the steak knives, you're going to get every knife that you can imagine using. This is going to be a set that lasts a lifetime, and it's gorgeous. It's going to look good in any kitchen. It has some really fun, unique features as well. I love that these have the stainless steel end cap. It just adds a real pop to your knife block set. It looks gorgeous. The ends of the knives look really pretty. And I think that just is a little touch that just is elevated. It's definitely high end. It's definitely a beautiful feature to have. This knife block set is really cool too because next to the slots there is just a small engraving, nothing too obvious, but just small little labeling so you know where to put each knife. I think that is so convenient, so great. It will keep you organized, and especially as you're getting to know your new knife block set. You will know where to put everything, and it's just gonna help you be that much more efficient in the kitchen. That is a cool feature. The coolest feature though, you guys, is that this is a self-sharpening knife block. That means every time you take your knives in and out, they are going to sharpen themselves. It's just a little sharpening edge on the inside of the slots where each knife goes. You can hardly even tell just glancing at the block that it's not just a normal knife block, but that's what's so cool about it, is that secretly every time you're using this, you are taking care of your knife set. That is, one less thing you have to think about, one less thing on your to-do list. It just does it automatically, and it's just a really cool feature to have. So if you're thinking about upgrading your knife set or buying one for someone as a gift, then I think this is an absolutely great one. You guys should go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be really glad that you did.